Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this GTA 3 AR Instagram filter and how to use this filter. So this is the filter. To get this filter, visit the creator profile. Valerie is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your camera tray. So I'm in his filter gallery, but when you will go to his page, you will see his page like this. And you have to tap on the smiley button. This is the effect gallery button. But if you can't see this effect gallery button, then you have to refresh each page, and you can do so by dragging the page down like this, and you should see the effect gallery. Now tap on this effect gallery button, and the first one, this is the GTA 3 filter. Tap on it, you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So tap on try it to try it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Instagram, and you can tap on the screen to change the color. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.